Hello everyone, welcome back to my channel. I am so excited to bring you today's video because it's going to be so much fun. I am going to be trying out the Curlsmith Hair Makeup. Now there are 5 colours in the line. We've got rose gold, turquoise, gold, ruby and copper. I was lucky enough to try the hair makeups out last year when they launched in the US, but they have finally launched in the UK. So today I'm going to be showing you how I use them. And since I have already tried all of the colours, I wanted to try something different today. I'm going to do a little experiment and I'm going to mix 2 colours together. So I'm going to be mixing ruby and turquoise and I'm going to try and make purple. The hair makeups are a great way to change your hair colour, change your look up, but without the damage. So they literally rinse right out of your hair when you shampoo your hair. They're literally like eyeshadow for your hair really. So just like when you remove your makeup and your eyeshadow comes off, the next time you wash your hair with shampoo, so will the hair makeup. So they're actually hair gel. So you use them as a last step in your hair routine over the top of a leave-in conditioner or a curl cream. So because they're a gel, they're also going to give you hold. If you want extra hold, you can obviously use a gel underneath them as well. But today I'm going to be using a bit of the Hold Me Softly Style Balm, which is a curl cream from Curlsmith that I really like. And then I'm going to mix these 2 together and apply them on top. My hair is naturally ginger and it can be quite hard to get sort of like wash in, wash out hair colours to show up on my hair type, but these hair makeups are designed to work on all hair colours, but obviously they'll show up slightly different on different hair colours. So yeah, I'm really excited to see how it works when I have them both mixed together making purple. Will it show up? It could go horribly wrong, but you're coming along with me and we're going to try it out together. Let's go ahead. Okay, so I've just cleansed and conditioned my hair and I applied a little bit of the Hold Me Softly Style Balm, just a small amount to soak in wet hair. And I'm wearing a towel and a t-shirt that I don't mind getting dirty because when the hair makeups are wet, they can transfer onto your clothes. But once they're fully dry, they shouldn't. You'll get a little bit of glitter on your hands when you touch your hair, but the colour shouldn't transfer onto your clothes. So I'm going to apply the hair makeup in the same way that I usually apply my gel. I've seen some people get really good results with sectioning their hair, but because I don't normally section my hair, I don't want to try something new and then it go wrong. So I'm just going to be applying it how I normally apply it. Let's mix them together. We have purple. Okay. Oh, I feel like really nervous to do this on camera. Where shall I start? Okay, I'm gonna like glaze it over my hair and then I'm gonna rake it through, I think. Okay, we're going in again. I feel like I'm doing like a kid's art lesson or something. What I'm going to do now is something that I've been doing recently where I kind of brush the back of my hair separately to the front of my hair, and I find that that helps me get better definition on the back. So I'm just going to comb it through as well. Like this is going to help me get even distribution. I'm just going to section this front bit separately. That's the back of my hair there, and then here's the front of my hair. Shake to form clumps and scrunch. I'm just going to flip my head to the side. And scrunch. Can you see the colour? I don't know if it's showing up or not on the screen. Obviously I have some on my forehead, but that will just rub right off. Okay, I'm actually thinking I might remove a little bit of water just so I can get a vibrant look. I know it might remove a little bit of the product, but you know, we're experimenting here. I've never used these 2 colours together before. Just a little bit. It's hardly taken any off, to be honest. And what you can do If you are putting it onto like damp hair, definitely mix it with water in your hands. Actually, I might do that. Just gonna glaze over. Oh yeah, that's much more vibrant. I'm trying to remember where I've covered, so maybe, yeah, sectioning probably is the best way to go. I'm just going to flip my head up and roughly part it. It's definitely messy when you're applying it, but the results are going to be so good. Okay, I feel like I've applied enough to my hair now. I have got this all over my hands now, but I'm just going to rinse it right off. So this is the before and this is the after. It washes off just like eyeshadow. So I'm going to wash all this off of me and just wipe it off, and then I'm going to go and diffuse my hair, and then I will be back. And this is my new hair colour until I next shampoo my hair. I love it so much. I think it looks so cool. I feel like it's kind of like a purpley auburny colour, and yeah, I really like it. I think it suits my complexion really nicely. So now I know this colour suits me if I ever fancy dyeing my hair. And now you know what purple looks like on natural ginger hair. It's definitely not ginger anymore, but you can definitely see the ginger trying to shine through, because that's just what ginger hair does, isn't it? I think because ginger hair is naturally vibrant, it's just so hard to kind of like cover it up. And obviously I've like never dyed my hair or anything, so I'm not very good at like making sure I cover all areas, but I think it looks so cool. It's really nice to like switch a look up as well, and I know that I'm not damaging my hair. Let me talk you through what I did off camera. So I diffused my hair until it was about 80% dry, and then I went in and added a little bit more of the hair makeup for a bit more vibrancy. And then when it's 100% dry, it forms a cast because it is a gel, so you need to scrunch it out. But when you scrunch it, I would suggest doing so either outside or in a room where you don't mind getting glitter, because when you scrunch, some fallout does come out. So it's just kind of like eyeshadow particles, it looks like. So I did mine in the bathroom, and then just really easily washes away. And when it was fully dry, I wanted it to be a little bit more vibrant, because after I scrunched it, some of the vibrancy did go away with like the particles that fell away. Maybe it wasn't like fully dry or something when I did that. But all I did was just mix a little bit more in my hands, and I kind of just went over like some single curl clumps to just coat them. You can kind of see. Let me give you a little curl tour so you can see. I think there's some bits that I still need to scrunch out a bit, but I don't really want to scrunch it in here because I've got cream carpet, and yeah. But yeah, thank you so much Curlsmith for sponsoring this video. I've had so much fun playing around with this hair colour today. I absolutely love the hair makeups. I think they're so fun. I really hope that you found this video helpful, and let me know if there's any other colours that you want me to try out, and maybe I'll either do on Instagram or I'll do another YouTube video about it. But yeah, if you did enjoy the video, please feel free to give it a like, leave a comment, and don't forget to hit the subscribe button, and I will see you soon. Bye guys! Hello, it's day 2 Hannah back. I didn't plan on this, obviously, otherwise I wouldn't have said goodbye so like finally in the last clip. But I wanted to show you my day 2 hair because I'm really impressed with it. The curls look amazing. It's still got like a purpley tinge to it, but it has faded a bit. I'll show you my pillow from overnight. I slept on a pillowcase that I didn't mind about getting dirty just in case. There's literally nothing on the pillow and the other side, even though I didn't sleep on that side. I did do a little refresh this morning. I just shook my hair out at the end of my shower in the steam. I didn't want to get my hair wet though because I didn't want to like reactivate it. So yeah, it wasn't really wet. I just kept my towel over me just in case. And then I went in with a little bit of the Hold Me Softly style balm on dry hair. So I just took a little bit in my hand, mixed it together, and kind of went over like curl by curl some of my curls like Marisa from Marisa's Curls does, and then I just scrunched a bit into the ends because my hair was feeling a little bit dry. I probably should have used a bit more of the cream yesterday. And another thing that I forgot to mention was how much I used. These are the ones that I used yesterday, and it's probably about down to here. So probably used about maybe just more than a quarter, not half I would say, probably just more than a quarter because there's less product up there. And I used a bit less of this one. So there's probably about 3 uses out of these for my hair, 2 to 3 uses for my hair, but my hair's very long. So like if you have shorter hair, then you'll probably get more uses out of it. And if you have like lower density hair, then you'll probably get more uses out of it too. And also like if you don't want as vibrant a colour, you won't use as much. So yeah, day 2 hair, really happy with it. Let me know if you've tried this colour out or if there's any other colours in the line that you mix and match to make your own colour combination. And yeah, I'll see you soon. Bye.